Hi, this time we're going to present you Milesight Ambience monitoring sensors. The AM100 series is specifically designed for indoor ambient measurements with multiple built-in sensors like temperature and humidity sensor, passive infrared sensor, light sensor, carbon dioxide sensor, TVOC sensor, and barometric pressure sensor for collecting various data. It's able to display real-time ambience conditions and some basic information on a 2.13-inch e-ink screen. AM100 series is powered by two alkaline AA batteries to give you the lowest maintenance cost. It has two wall mounting holes on the back, which is super easy for installation. More importantly, AM100 series can be configured by NFC, an innovative configuring method that ensures security and convenience for the device. With the modern design and compact size, the AM100 series is perfectly suited for home, office, classroom, hotel, and many other indoor scenarios.